As we inch closer to the highly anticipated launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25, excitement is building and the rumor mill is working overtime. While Samsung has kept most details under wraps, recent leaks have given us a glimpse into what the Galaxy S25 might bring to the table, and the news is better than we could have hoped. A few months ago, we were left underwhelmed by some early benchmarking tests for the Galaxy S25. The single-core performance came in at just 2481, while the multi-core score was a somewhat disappointing 8658. When you compare these results to the much more impressive numbers from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it seemed like the standard model would be falling short. But now, a fresh leak has surfaced, offering a much more promising outlook for the device. The new benchmarks, shared by Taran Vats, reveal a remarkable improvement over those earlier results. The Galaxy S25, identified by its model number SMS931B, achieved a single-core score of 2986 and a multi-core result of 9355. This boost in performance is a welcome surprise and suggests that the Galaxy S25 could be a true powerhouse, even at its base level. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and a generous 12 GB of RAM, this device looks ready to take on the competition with ease. To put these numbers into perspective, the Galaxy S24 Ultra achieved scores of 2300 in single-core and 7249 in multi-core performance. If the Galaxy S25 lives up to these new benchmarks, it could significantly outperform last year's flagship, and that's exciting news for those who want top-tier performance without opting for the ultra-premium model. But the battle for performance doesn't stop there. Apple's iPhone 16, which recently made waves with its own benchmarks, scored 3301 in single-core and 8033 in multi-core tests. While Apple continues to lead in single-core performance, Samsung's Galaxy S25 seems poised to reclaim its position as a multi-core powerhouse. This marks a familiar pattern where Apple dominates in single-core performance, but Samsung excels when it comes to handling multi-threaded tasks. While these leaked benchmark results are exciting, they do come with a word of caution. As is always the case with pre-release information, benchmarks can fluctuate as manufacturers fine-tune their devices before the official launch. We won't know for sure how the Galaxy S25 will perform in real-world conditions until it's released. However, the fact that the Galaxy S25 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, confirmed for international markets, is a reassuring sign that Samsung is committed to delivering a high-performance device that can compete with the best. The official reveal of the Galaxy S25 is just around the corner, with the Galaxy Unpacked event scheduled for January 22, 2025. Samsung will no doubt reveal all the final details about the device, including its full range of features, pricing, and availability. In the meantime, we'll continue to see leaks and rumors surface, offering more clues about what's to come. For now, the leaked benchmark results paint an exciting picture for the Galaxy S25. With a stronger showing in both single-core and multi-core performance compared to previous models, the standard Galaxy S25 could offer more power than ever before. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable smartphone, it's clear that Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Make sure to stay updated on all the latest news about the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra by checking out our hubs for more in-depth coverage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay on top of all the exciting developments as we head towards the official launch. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.